What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now today I have a huge announcement for the channel. On Saturday, the 24th of June, we will be having the first ever ABAUTO live meet and greet. What makes this event so exciting is that LSH Auto and Mercedes Benz of Birmingham will be fully hosting the event, giving us an incredible space to all get together and share our love and passion for Mercedes Benz and AMG. We have the fantastic showroom along with safe on-site secure parking. We're also arranging a nice selection of AMGs in the showroom that will be available to test drive. This really is the perfect place for us all to get together. I absolutely love the community that we've built up on this channel over the years, and I really wanted to have the opportunity to give back and meet up with fellow AMG fans and viewers, and guys, this could not be a better opportunity. If you've been watching my videos and are thinking about buying an AMG, you also won't want to miss out on this event too. I've talked to the guys and there may be an opportunity to get finance contributions on a brand new AMG, which at the moment can be quite rare. So make sure you come along and make use of this if you're thinking about ordering a car. So here's the details of the event and the day. The event starts with arrival at 10 AM on Saturday the 24th of June next month at Mercedes Benz of Birmingham. There will be coffee in the AMG lounge area where we can all meet and chat. Then at 10:45 we'll be doing a full tour of the workshops. Then at 12:15 I'll be doing a little talk and tour of some amazing AMG models, which you will have a great opportunity to take a close look at. I'll also be doing a prize draw where you'll be able to enter on the day and the winner gets to be in an ABAUTO video. I'm going to take the winner for a fun drive in the CLA45s. We're going to get the GoPros running, we're going to film your reaction and maybe a little mini review and experience of being a passenger in the car. It's going to be lots of fun. Then after the tours, we're going to have a nice amount of time to chat and socialise. Make sure you bring your cars along too, because I would love to see them. If you like, we can even feature your car in a video on the channel. But hey, everyone is welcome to come. So guys, that's it. I can't wait for the big meet and I really hope you guys can come. If you can't make it, don't worry, we're definitely going to do more of these in the future, but I'm just so excited and I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone that has watched the channel and supported me through the years, because if it wasn't for you guys, this would not be possible.